Hey, welcome back. If you're tired of typing in your password every single time you wake up your PC, especially if it's your personal computer that no one else touches, this video is for you. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to remove the login password and lock screen on Windows 11, step by step. Let's get into it. First, right-click on the Start button. That's the Windows icon in your taskbar, and from the pop-up menu, select Settings. You can also just press Windows+I on your keyboard to open it even faster. Once Settings is open, look at the left sidebar and click on Accounts. Inside Accounts, you'll see a list of options. Click on Sign In Options. This is where Windows manages everything related to how you log in, passwords, pins, fingerprints, all of it. Once you're in here, scroll down slightly until you see a section called Password. Click on it to expand it. You'll see a Change button underneath. Click that. Windows will now ask you to verify your identity first. It's just a security step to make sure it's really you making this change. Go ahead and type in your current password and hit Next. Now, here's the important part. Pay attention here. You'll see 3 fields: New Password, Confirm Password, Password Hint. Here's what you do. Leave all 3 fields completely blank. Don't type anything. Just leave them empty and click Next, then click Finish. That's it. Windows will save the changes instantly. From now on, when you start or wake up your PC, Windows will skip the password screen entirely and take you straight to your desktop. Quick, easy, done. If this helped you out, drop a like. It really does help the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next one.